more interesting things to take videos of.
Lol.
Like cars driving past.
Cars make awesome noises. Can you hear that?
Need a bigger zoom.
A much bigger zoom.
Crashing into the building. Ah! Building just swallowed it.
And then everybody dies.
Ah.
It explodes.
Yeah, pretty much.
And then we need another helicopter to take the fire out. Along with a lot of fire trucks from other towns, considering that's the fire brigade, and if the fire brigade exploded we'd be doing fucked. And look, puppy.
Hello. Oh no, not that again.